what's up, y'all? Back with Riding here doing a video today about 5 things you should never do to your riding mower.
Been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Said I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Number 1 is never start your mower up without checking your oil first. I think that's okay. Also, too, if your mower has got, which most riding mowers do have, electric starter, never sit and crank and crank and crank and crank on the electric starter. So that's a good way to burn it up, because it's just an electric motor. And depending on what engine you got, it can be very expensive to replace. So never just sit and just crank the starter motor. 3, never put your mower away without blowing the deck off first, or the whole tractor itself, because when you mow and stuff, a lot of grass holds moisture, and that can rust and wear out your deck, placing on your mower. So never put your mower away without blowing the deck off. If you got a blower like I do, that makes it pretty easy. Okay, number 3, never leave it outside. You don't leave it outside. This ain't a car. You leave it outside, everything's gonna just get frozen. Everything's gonna get wet. This ain't a car. So, a lot of times too, warranty doesn't cover, things like improper storage, stuff like that. So, always store your mower out properly after you get done. Okay, and now, number 1, which I got it down here for a reason, never not properly grease your mower. Now, there's grease fittings on here for a reason. There's one there, and there's one over here too. Those are there for a reason, for you to properly grease your axles and stuff. Because if you don't properly grease your axles, they're not gonna turn right. It's gonna dig into the metal. Metal against metal just wears it out. That ain't good. So always properly grease your mower. Okay, so that's the 5 things you should never do to your mower. And if you do all these things I tell you to do, like grease it properly, blow the deck off, store it up properly, your mower will last you for many years to come. And so if you like this video and see more like it, give me a thumbs up. It help me out a lot, and don't forget to hit subscribe to the Back with Boy Garage. I'll see you on the next video.